So today's the first day of the Burp the Beck Challenge. I will create a video after we do this workout for you and post it in the group. But let's get started with Dirty 30. So Dirty 30, every single exercise is going to be 30 reps, okay? When you're done with your 30 reps, please comment D. And if you don't comment D and I'm already going on to the next exercise, or I finish before you, or some of you finish before, whatever it is, once you're done with your 30 reps, then just either do jumping jacks or jog in place. You could do burpees, you could do mountain climbers. Just do a little bit of cardio until we move on to the next exercise, okay? All right, let's go, 30. Oh, I forgot my waist trainer. Let's go, 30. 30 on the right leg. 30, right leg. Ooh, it's hot in here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And you can't do 30, don't do 30. Do as many as you can. Yeah, Natalie, you're gonna do the same thing without the bands. Just sit in a chair and do leg extensions. All right, one more set.
My tea's gone cold, I'm wondering why. But I don't feel at all. The morning rain clouds up my window, and I can't see it all. Dear, I never
Natalie, do you have these bands? Because you should do the same thing with these bands.
it reminds me that it's not so bad. It's not so bad.
Good leg day. Stretch your legs. Okay? Whew, stretch your legs. Make sure, well, tomorrow, Natalie, let me know if you need a link. You're welcome. Ow. Oh, cramp, cramp, cramp. I can't walk. All right, thank you guys for coming. High five, high five, high five. We did 478 calories. I will take it. Day 1 of Dirty 30. I'm so excited. I hope you enjoyed your workout. I hope you were able to do a 30. If you weren't able to do a 30, that's okay. You have 29 more days to catch up, okay? Especially for those of you, if this was your first day, I definitely hope you went at your own speed. If you need my bands, please message me. I'll send you the link, or just go to my website. They're on there, and I'll ship them today, all right? If you have any questions, please post it in the group. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow for shoulders, okay? Thank you.